there, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are going to unbox all of the extras from the July 2025 Where the Sea Dreams collection. I am looking forward to sharing all of the sticker kits with you, so let's dive right in. We're going to start with the classic cousin sticker kit. This sticker kit is sized for the weekly view, like these boxes will fit in the weekly view for the A5 Hobonichi cousin. They are approximately like 1.38, something like that wide, and they fit perfectly in those columns. So on this first sheet, you have the decorative boxes and then also the boxes for writing different things in there. And we have another sheet of boxes with some different box stickers. Then a whole lot of decorative stickers in various sizes, some larger, some smaller, and then a handful of little phrases at the bottom. Next up is a functional sheet that has trackers and checklists, and then also some little phrases like for planning, buy food, clean house, those types of things. We've got alphabet stickers and strip stickers that function like washi tape, and then also date stickers. We have a sheet of days of the week, and then some header type stickers, and then a whole bunch of icons in different colors. And last but not least, we have a sheet of vellum stickers that are decorative and have phrases as well. So you have a couple that don't have the phrases, and then you have the strip stickers, which, as I already said, operate very much like washi tape without having the entire roll. So this is the classic cousin sticker kit. And next up, we are going to take a look at the Daisy add-on sticker kit. This sticker kit is really fun. It works in a wide variety of projects. And we have a sheet of decorative stickers and then just some phrases on strips down below. We have all of these different shaped box type stickers, including like classic labels and tabs. We also have the alphabet, not days of the week. And they have a really subtle pattern on them as well. I don't know if you can see that, but they are very pretty and I absolutely love this font. And then a sheet of vellum stickers, which again, some are decorative, some have phrases, and then we also have the strips at the bottom. All right, so next we have our Bible journaling sticker kit for the Where the Sea Dreams collection. And we have a sheet of decorative stickers that just have all of the different little images that you come to love from this collection, including the little anchor that has Jesus on it. We have a sheet of alphabet stickers. Then we have a whole sheet of the strips that function like washi, and then also some number stickers, which are great for dates if you're doing like a daily Bible journaling. Then we have strips with phrases and more of those, and then some smaller box stickers as well. A whole lot of different shapes of box type stickers, including like these tags. These are also tags. You probably can't really see them very well, but they're just white at the top. Then the smaller ones and the larger boxes, half circles, lots of different fun ones there. Then we have a vellum sticker sheet as well that has the splashes of watercolor and then these different phrases, and then some washi type sticker, the strip stickers down below. So that is the Bible journaling kit. Next, we have our calendar sticker kit, which works perfectly in our week's notebook, and it also fits nicely in a Hobonichi Weeks planner. We also have our Daisy Weeks sticker kit, which is the same. It works wonderfully in our Weeks notebook, but it also works in a Hobonichi Weeks planner. So we have decorative stickers, and then we have little headers down here. And then also, you can see right there in a variety of colors. Okay, so then we've got these Days of the Week stickers, and then also a whole lot of different icons you can see in a bunch of different colors from the collection. Then we have these trackers and then these decorative strips as well. Okay, so we have some more of the strips and then also these July 2025 strips up at the top. And then a whole sheet of different boxes and then little decorative boxes as well. And then last but not least, we have a vellum sticker sheet that you can see has a bunch of these decorative little stickers at the top, and then also the strips and the dates down here. So that is the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. Okay, so now we have our planner sticker kit, and these boxes are 1.5 inches wide. So these will fit in a 7x9 planner, say a classic happy planner, Erin Condren, that type of planner that has a 1.5 inch wide column. We have some vellum little dot stickers. Then we have the boxes and some strips down below. Then we have these nice functional stickers. We have the checklists, we have the trackers and the dates. And then some boxes that you can write whatever you need to write in there. And then some strip stickers that have words on them like doctor appointment, lunch date, vacation time, that type of thing. And then some hydration stickers down at the bottom. A sheet of very beautiful decorative stickers. And then a nice mixed sheet that has the hexagons, the little labels, some weather icons, some headers, and then those stickers that have, laundry day, meal planning, clean house, that type of thing down there at the bottom. And we also have a sheet of vellum stickers as well. So we have a whole bunch of the strips that function like washi tape, and then just some watercolor type splash stickers. And that is the planner sticker kit. Our final sticker kit is the memory keeping sticker kit. And these stickers are 2 inches wide, the boxes, and they work perfectly in the Daisy planner, and they also work well in an 8.5 by 11 planner that has 2 inch wide columns, such as a vertical big happy planner or other planners like that. So we have some little phrase stickers that are on vellum paper, sticker paper, of course. We have these boxes, and at the bottom there are a few little strips, and on the side you can see there are some labels as well. Some more boxes, and then some flag type stickers or banners, and then also some strips down at the bottom. A whole lot of little decorative phrase strip stickers, some numbers, some circles, and then some more strips. We also have the sheet of decorative stickers. Lots of different sizes, like some smaller little shells, and then also bigger tags and other ones. A nice neutral alphabet sticker sheet. And then a vellum sticker sheet with a bunch of beautiful decorative stickers. So these are all of the sticker kits from the Where the Sea Dreams collection, and you can subscribe right now on our website. Let's dive right into all the fun goodies that we have to check out. So first up is our stamp subscription from the Where the Sea Dreams collection. And this stamp set is called Summer State of Mind, and it is so fun for all the summer activities and memories that we are going to make and we have made in the past. You can subscribe to our stamp subscription and you will receive this stamp when you subscribe for the Where the Sea Dreams collection. Next up is our pouch. Our pouches are very popular and it's not hard to see why. They are a great size. As you can see, this is the pouch, and for reference, this is a 4x6 stamp set. So you can put all of your items in here and store them, take them on the go. But these pouches are also great for more than just stationery, especially these nice plastic pouches. So like I said, this is one of our plastic pouches. I can definitely see putting items in here and putting this in my beach bag. It would work so well, in addition to obviously my planners and notebooks and all of those other goodies that we have. Now, the other subscription that we have to talk about is our dashboards. Our dashboards are our heavy duty cardstock weight paper, bright white, beautiful, and you get a set of both A5 and personal size dashboards when you subscribe. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the A5 so that you can see them a little bit better, but the personal size are all the same. They're just scaled for that particular size. Take Me Where the Summer Never Ends. A nice July divider. Isn't that beautiful? Summer is a reminder that growth happens in the warmth of light, rest, and joy. And then it has all of the little watercolor splatters along the edges. The little fish, and then a background that's very vintage looking. And then we have a map. Again, a vintage looking map. And then this beautiful under the sea scene that says, seashells whisper the secrets of the sea, carrying echoes of calm to those who pause to listen. So you can see right there what I'm talking about the different sizes from each of them, but they're the same art and all of that. They are just sized to fit perfectly. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the extra items that you can purchase a la carte and are not available for subscription for the Where the Sea Dreams collection. So first up, we have this fantastic stamp set, and this is our nautical labels stamp set, and it's got some really awesome ones on here, like this large lighthouse, and then look right here, this kraken and the little octopus. It's just a really fun one that I can see using in a whole lot of different ways for your various seashore adventures. And then we also have this other a la carte stamp set that is called Unplug and Unwind, and it's got this large rope / net, and then all of these other smaller little individual images as well. And I would be remiss without mentioning the amazing die set for this month as well. And this one is called At the Beach, and you can see it includes 9 individual metal dies. So we've got like some, like vintage motel keychains, keychains basically, shell, seahorse, and then of course like a flag and a banner, a palm tree. So those are awesome, and you can purchase those in the store and subscribers can add them to their subscription. Now, another really fun thing that we have this month is a brand new wax seal stamp head, and this one is an anchor. So when you purchase this, it'll just come this little stamp head. You can see right here, it's about the size of, maybe like a quarter or something like that. And when you use it with the wax beads, you can make that really fun little anchor shape. We do sell the other supplies in the store. All you have to do is simply screw this on the handle, and then you can make those beautiful stamped images. All right, so last but not least, I wanted to show you the little tin that's for sale this month as well. Now, this tin will also come with a Cocoa Daisy vinyl sticker that you can go ahead and put on your tin. I don't have that sticker here to show you, but rest assured it's adorable and you will love it. And this tin is designed to hold your little watercolors. Now these are the ones that are included in the creative kit, and you can see they fit perfectly. And an added benefit, in addition to keeping these all corralled and stored wonderfully, is that you can use the lid as like a palette, a watercolor palette. So it's really very, very awesome. And it's a great way to keep track of your little watercolors, but also you could put your dies in there as well. There's lots of great ways to use this tin for storage. And like I said, it will come with a Cocoa Daisy sticker so that you can decorate the top of your tin if you would like.